Meryl Velbeck, lead product support person here at Schwarzkopf Professional. I'm also a member of the corporate education team and a stylist and colorist just like you. Every day I get tons of questions about hair color formulation and about our technical shampoos. Speaking of which, here's some questions I get every day. This text came in from a stylist in Austin, Texas. Hey Schwarzkopf Professional, how do I use Schwarzkopf Professional Goodbye Yellow and Goodbye Orange the right way? I tried it on my client and her hair turned blue. What did I do wrong? And now, how do I get the blue out of her hair? Let's step over to the salon and explore Goodbye Yellow and Goodbye Orange and get the answers to these questions. Before we get to how Goodbye Yellow and Goodbye Orange work, we need to look at what they are. Goodbye Orange is meant for neutralizing red and orange tones on darker to medium levels. Goodbye Yellow, on the other hand, is meant to be used on medium to light levels. Goodbye Orange is optimal on level 4 through 7, where red and orange underlying pigments live. You can also use Goodbye Orange on levels deeper than level 4 for maximum cool neutralization on very dark hair as well. Goodbye Orange has a blue-green base to counteract the warmest underlying pigments. Goodbye Yellow is optimal on levels 7 through 10, where yellow-orange and yellow underlying pigments live. Goodbye Yellow has a purple and blue base to counteract the lighter underlying pigments exposed when lightening lighter levels. As an added plus, both Goodbye Orange and Goodbye Yellow are vegan and sulfate-free. Here's a handy Schwarzkopf Professional underlying pigment swatch chart that you can screenshot as a guide to which underlying pigments are found at each level. Anyone who knows me knows I have a chart or cheat sheet for everything. Screenshot this chart to visualize the results and what to use. At levels 6 and 7, you would choose either Goodbye Orange or Goodbye Yellow based on how much orange yellow or deeper yellow pigment is present in the hair. At lighter levels and on more porous hair, Goodbye Yellow is used either full strength or diluted. We'll get to how that works in a minute. For standard use, emulsify either Goodbye Orange or Goodbye Yellow into very wet hair. Having the hair very wet allows the pigments to circulate evenly through the hair fiber and can be left on for up to 5 minutes, depending upon how much neutralization is desired. Visually develop both Goodbye Orange and Goodbye Yellow to prevent over-neutralizing and possibly discoloring the hair with a bluish cast. Be sure to tell your clients specifically how to use technical shampoos such as Goodbye Orange and Goodbye Yellow at home to prevent them from making mistakes and creating blue hair. Goodbye Orange and Goodbye Yellow are great for quickly pre-toning pre-lightened hair or a quick solution during color corrections. Depending upon the porosity of the hair and the amount of neutralization in the end result you're looking for, both Goodbye Orange and Goodbye Yellow can be used diluted 1-to-1 with water in a tint bottle for softer neutralization or full strength right from the bottle for strong neutralization. Just a note, I see lots of videos out there that show excessive amounts of Goodbye Yellow or Goodbye Orange being used on the hair. Apply in minimal amounts to have optimal control over pigment distribution and overall evenness of tone in the final result. Using excessive amounts of product just wastes it and can overpigment the hair quickly. When using Goodbye Orange or Goodbye Yellow to pre-tone or add neutralization to highlighted hair, use the tonal direction and level of the highlights, not the darker dimension level in the hair as a guide to which one to use. One of the most common pictures I get from stylists is blue-green highlights through a dark level of hair, as the thought is to use Goodbye Orange as they see a level 5 base, not considering the highlights are a level 7 or 9. Since Goodbye Yellow does contain blue pigments, as well as purple, the entire palette will neutralize harmoniously, creating, for example, a cool level 5 with cool-toned blonde highlights. Yes, I really do get plenty of panicky pictures of blue and blue-green hair. For an extreme case of the blues, a Vario Blonde soft cleanse is in order. This cleanse is applied and gently emulsified through the hair. The 4-minute timing is a guideline only. The cleanse acts very quickly and is visually timed for the few minutes it takes to remove the blue till the hair just looks nicely neutralized. Finish with a final shampoo and conditioning to remove any residue from the cleanse. If the hair just picks up a slight overall bluish cast, shampoo with BC Bonicure Deep Cleansing Shampoo, emulsifying through the hair to quickly remove excess slight blue tones. Well, these are the top questions I get about Goodbye Yellow and Goodbye Orange through Schwarzkopf Professional Product Support. I hope this info helps you in your salon or studio. For more information on Goodbye Yellow, Goodbye Orange, or any other Schwarzkopf Professional color, care, or styling products, or to find a distributor for your salon in your area in the USA, reach out by phone at 800-234-4672 or email Schwarzkopf Professional on ASKEducationUSA@henkel.com. I'm Meryl Velbeck, Professional Product Support for Schwarzkopf Professional. Thank you.